What's going on, everyone? Today is March 13th, 2023. We're going to talk about Bitcoin today. Give you all an update, trying to see if the worst is over for Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market as a whole, because over the past weekend, the market kind of got scared with all of the cash that many stablecoins have on these banks. It's been a bank run. A couple of banks have gone belly up. They collapsed. State has taken over, or the FDIC has taken over the assets of these banks, and it impacted Bitcoin's price. Now, of course, take a look. I did a price prediction in Bitcoin way ahead of all of this information. All of this news hit over the weekend, but I was already looking for Bitcoin to go down on February the 26th. Yeah. Go back and check out that video. Now, I didn't know the cause as to why price was going to go lower. I just saw it on the charts. And you guys can even see another thing, that we caught the bottom right there. So the video was produced on the 26th of February, looking for Bitcoin to go down. It did, and it hit our ultimate TP price March the 10th, 3 days ago. Fantastic. We called the bottom pretty much. And we do this numerous times on this particular channel, and people said that you cannot do it. And here it is right there, proof. 13.59% in that prediction. Let's go ahead and cut that out the way, because now we need to figure out, is the worst over for Bitcoin? First thing we're going to do is going to catch this bottom for Bitcoin, because I really want us to see the consolidational trading range that this price has been on in Bitcoin. Okay, so this is it. Now, if there's nothing here for us to profit from, then we're not going to do a price prediction. If we're simply looking for the market in Bitcoin to go and trade in between these two lines on the chart, your time frame needs to be smaller on when to get in and when to get out. We're not trending in the market in Bitcoin, are we? Are we trending in Bitcoin? Take a look. Charts don't lie. Is it just a coincidence that price in Bitcoin touched on this trend line, this ascending line, as well as support? Is that just a coincidence? I think not. So Bitcoin has confirmed two things. One, the trend is still in place. This trend line is still applicable to the market of Bitcoin. Two, price came and bounced off of prior areas of support, which we identified on our prior video, of around $19,600, $500. See, the market in Bitcoin was so strong in the beginning of the year, in January, that the market became overextended, meaning that it broke away from this trend line, and we came right back down to it, and it confirmed. So from this perspective, yes, Bitcoin is still geared for higher prices. The only way that we would have to say that Bitcoin is not prepared to go up is when we see price break this ascending line and support at 19,600. That's it. So from a general sense, the buyers have the advantage over the sellers right now. So the biggest thing is, okay, is now the time to get into the market of Bitcoin, because you guys can see that we have now once again broken away from the trend line. You will want to purchase Bitcoin down here. This is where you want to purchase this asset at. We're up there around 22,275 right now. Should you wait? Should you come in and buy? From my perspective, I want to wait, because there's a lot of things that many people don't have answers to, especially regarding the contagion of these regional banks. And the Fed raising interest rates, you got the debt ceiling. There is going to be a lot of activity that's going to spur people to sell and to buy. So I'm not in a rush to predict where I suspect Bitcoin is going to go. However, like I said, from this perspective, here it is on the wiki chart. The greatest probability of how price is going to move is to the upside as of right now. But from an entry standpoint, I'm going to wait, because I want to see the market in Bitcoin is going to come back down. And if it does, what level. Okay, so check this out. Where the price in Bitcoin is trading at now is also a logical area of support. Okay, we can suspect that buyers could possibly come in and hold Bitcoin's price right now. That is something that I'm waiting for to get more confirmation about. Because if it's not going to hold now at $22,000, the next area is going to be down here around 21,420.25, give or take, something around that ballpark. Okay, so I'm just going to pause and see if buyers are still active now. Because if they are, price will hold at $22,000. So I'm not in a rush. But like I said, you guys got my thoughts. You guys see what my expectations are. And I'm waiting to see the market give me more confirmation. Be patient. Let everyone else risk their ideas as to where they suspect market's going to go. And once we get more confirmation, then we'll participate and drop a prediction. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.